brand gears up for the holiday 2025 release of the Air Jordan 5 PSG, the third PSG-themed AJ5 after the 2018 high and 2022 low. This edition features an Off Noir and Anthracite leather build accented with ripstop overlays and the Eiffel Tower monogram on the quarter. Inside, particle rose and pearl pink satin lining adds luxury, matching the lace lock, Jumpman tongue logo, and shark teeth highlights. A Jumpman heel logo takes the place of Nike Air branding, while a semi-translucent sail outsole finishes the design. While Jordan's calendar includes other AJ5s like the Awake New York collab, the PSG remains a centerpiece for both sneakerheads and Paris Saint-Germain fans. With its mix of performance heritage and Parisian flair, the drop is expected October to December 2025, aligning perfectly with the holiday season.